Alright guys, so I'm starting the vlog from the car. We just did a food vlog and I didn't bring the camera in with me because I just wanted to eat and enjoy the food. But got some Mexican food and it was awesome. To start the vlog off, we're gonna do a little, well, it's not a cold start, but the car's been parked for a while and well, who doesn't love a startup on a car, especially a ZL1, so here you go. There you have it. Startup on a 2018 ZL1 Camaro. And today I wanted to talk about, here, let me close the door first. Today I mainly wanted to talk about the fact that the ZL1 1LE, in my opinion, is not worth the extra $7,500. What do you get with it? You get a big wing, carbon fiber wing, which is cool. You get the front canards. It's basically the little plastic things for aero that are right by the air intake scoops or whatever you want to call them. You also get the aluminum forged wheels, which are strong and make the car lighter. And besides that, I mean, besides if you opt to go with the 10-speed automatic transmission on the ZL1, the 1LE only comes in the 6-speed manual transmission. So besides that, those are really like the only main extra features you get with that 1LE package, which I personally think is not worth it, because if you go and you buy a ZL1, I can go right now and buy a carbon fiber wing for the ZL1 for like 900 bucks, I think. I'll put a screenshot right here, but yeah guys, I can go and buy a wing for like 900 bucks, and if I opt to go with an OEM wing, then yeah, it's gonna cost me like $4,000 or something ridiculous like that. But like, we all know that whenever you go OEM, it's gonna cost you more money. Holy shit. We had someone backing out and they're really close to my car. But yeah guys, so you have the OEM wing, which is gonna cost you a fortune, but if you decide to go with something else, it's only gonna cost you like 900 bucks. Then if you talk about the canards, you have the option to go buy them somewhere else, and I don't know the exact price. I wanna say they're like $200 to $400, but don't quote me on that. They could be more. I'll look it up and I'll post that here as well. Or you can even opt to get carbon fiber canards and make your car look even better. Then the next thing are the wheels. So the aluminum forged wheels. So if we're talking about the wheels, you can get aluminum forged wheels that are not the ones that come on the 1LE. Have them be your taste, your style, make the car look even better, and they're gonna cost you, you know, 2 to 3 grand. And you can even get a cheaper set for less than 2 grand. And I don't know if you want to go with that, but like, even a set that's gonna cost you 2 to 3 grand, it's gonna be a good set that you can use on the track, that is gonna be the same strength, and it's gonna be lightweight, and it's not gonna, you know, harm your car or do anything wrong, or you're not gonna have the wrong set. And right there alone, I mean, like, if you, okay, let's go low, and let's say you spend $2,500 on wheels, right? And then you spend another, let's say 900 bucks on the wing, so that puts you at $3,400. And then you go and spend, I don't know how much the canards are, let me check. Okay, so I just checked and they're actually $289, so that's even cheaper than I thought. And that comes with the